Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the BOYA Magic AI-powered transformable wireless microphone. You can get this product on Amazon for about $130. Check out the link in the description. The BOYA Magic comes with a user manual, 2 transmitters, a USB-C receiver, a Lightning receiver, a 3.5mm TRS receiver, a charging case, 2 magnets, 2 fur windshields for the transmitters and a fur windshield for the charging case, a foam windscreen for the charging case, an audio cable, 2 data cables, and an all-in-one storage bag. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality product. The desktop stand is not included. You can get it for about $20 on Amazon. Check out the link in the description. The microphone has a really nice design. The charging case holds both transmitters and 1 receiver. The user manual tells you everything you need to know about the device and how to use it. First, I fully charge the device. Before the first use, you have to make sure to remove the protective film in the charging case and on both transmitters. You can use the microphone with a charging case or just the 2 transmitters without the charging case. The user manual states that the transmitters and receivers have been paired before delivery and are ready to use upon powering on. Unfortunately, that didn't work, so it was a little bit more complicated. If the pairing didn't work automatically, you can press and hold the power button for 5 seconds when the transmitter is powered off to enter pairing mode. Unfortunately, this information is not included in the user manual, so I had to find it online. I'm recording this video with my Android smartphone right next to my washing machine and dryer. It's pretty loud in here and the noise reduction is currently turned off. I'm turning on the noise reduction now. And this is how it sounds with a turned on noise reduction. The sound quality is much better than before. I recorded the voiceover for this video with a microphone attached to the desktop stand and connected to my computer. The microphone is quieter than my regular microphone, but the sound quality is pretty good. Connecting the microphone to a computer is very easy. You just have to plug in the receiver and turn on the microphone. If you want to use the microphone with your camera, you need the 3.5mm TRS receiver. The pairing didn't work automatically, so I had to manually enter pairing mode again. Using the microphone with my camera is very easy and it only takes a few seconds to set it up. The sound quality is much better than using my camera's internal microphone. I tested the microphone for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. It's versatile and convenient to use. The sound quality is very good and the noise reduction works great. So if you are looking for a shape-shifting wireless microphone with 4 different forms and a great noise reduction, I would recommend the BOYA Magic AI-powered transformable wireless microphone. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.